Have you ever wanted to learn to solve a Rubik's Cube? Now you can. The Snakebites have created an easy way for you to learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube.
When you learn to solve the Rubik's Cube, you should know that the centerpieces are called centerpieces and that they do not move no matter how you turn the cube. The ones with 2 colors on them are called edge pieces, and the ones with 3 on them are called corner pieces. When you're solving the Rubik's Cube, you'll have to turn 6 different faces. There's the right side, the up side, the front side, the left side, the back side, and the bottom side. The first step to solving the cube is to get the white cross on top. Keep in mind that when you're lining up the edge pieces here, that you have to line up these 2 orange pieces, or green pieces depending on which side. You have to line those up to make sure that's a good white cross. The next step to do is to fix the corners in place. Keep in mind that you should have a nice little belt around the cube of all the colors, and the centerpiece also in line with it.
So the second stage is the middle layer. So what you have to do is you're holding it like this with the white on top, and you have to flip the entire cube over. And then what you do is you line it up so the color is with the same thing. So then you find the top color right there, and you put that to your right, so like this, and then determine if this is coming towards you or away from you. So for this, it's orange and orange, so it's coming towards you. So you go R prime, U prime, R prime, U prime, R prime, U, R, U, R. See how it moved right there? So now you have the middle layer solved. For the next time, if you need it for the piece to go to the back, you follow this algorithm right there.
For stage 3, we have to get the yellow cross on top, and there's 2 different situations in which you do this. The first one is, you have to line up the top face so that there's 3 yellow across like that. For this, you'll have to do F, R, U, R, R prime, U prime, F prime. And then you have the cross, ignoring the corners. The next situation is if you have a backwards L on top. What you would do for this is F, U, R, U prime, R prime, F prime, and then you have a cross. For stage 4, we want to get the yellow corners, but the first thing you have to do is line it up to see how to hold your cube. Once you have it lined up, you can do this algorithm here, which we made a sentence for it. Run under Randy's umbrella, Ron. You too, Rob. And then realign it as told. Here's it in action. Run under Randy's umbrella, Ron. You too, Rob. And now we have the yellow face.
Go ahead.
For step 5, we need to fix the yellow corners. We use the sentence, run, Forrest, run, back to Ross for robotics, build 2 robots. Understand? Run, Forrest, run, back to run, Forrest, run, back to Ross for robotics. Build 2 robots. You. For the last step, which is step 6, we need to fix the yellow edges by using the algorithm R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. Sometimes, this doesn't always work, so you have to do it multiple times. R, U prime, R, U, R, U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, R2. And there you go, the Rubik's Cube is solved. If you would like a copy of our solution, ask one of the FLL Lego League and Snakebites team members.